In the laws of Shabbos, Siman Ayin Daled Reish, 274, 275, and the halacha 7. It is desirable to recite a blessing over two bundles of myrtles. A myrtle, we use the hadosim, we use it for sukkahs. Two bundles of myrtle branches before reciting Kiddush at night and during the day, and in the midst of the third Shabbos meal. Obviously, it's not a Chabad custom, but he said it is desirable to do it. The blessing of Boire Atzei Besamim. So if you have Besamim in your house, mitzvah to do it, probably to have 100 brachas, to have more brachas on Shabbos, because you don't have a Shmoneh, you only have 7 blessings Shmoneh. So
I've seen people in Chabad on Yom Kippurim walking around with an esrog with Besamim in it, or with Shmei Tabit.
Just to get themselves to wake up. So it says in note 22, Shabbos 33b mentioned this practice. In the Gemara in Shabbos, it mentions this practice. It is also mentioned in Kabbalah, in Shara Kavonis, and also Sefer Badei Shulchan, that this custom is not practiced in the Chabad community.
I think the Zemiras that we say from the Arizal mentions
the smell, the concept of smelling.
Yeah, of Hadassim.
Yeah, we did that last Shabbat. There was a rabbi that walked around with different things to smell and make different blessings on different smells.
Yeah, so it's taken from here, but it is if there are factors that to a certain extent prevent one from partaking of a meal on Friday night, for some reason he wasn't able to participate in the meal, he may postpone the meal until Shabbos day and partake of 3 meals during the day. Compensate for the meal that he didn't have at night. He must, however, recite Kiddush at night and immediately thereafter partake of an olive-sized portion of a product of the 5 species of grain, mezainis, or drink another revi'is of wine as stated in section 273. Either to have mezainis right away, 5 species of grain, or to drink another revi'is of wine if for some reason he's unable to participate in the meal Friday night. So just do it, have Kiddush and eat some mezainis, and you at least you fulfilled your obligation. If however there are no constraining factors, meaning nothing stops you, one should not do so, since there is a commandment to refrain from eating even while it is still day on Friday, so that he will eat with an appetite at night, as explained in section 249. So meaning you have to wait. On Friday you shouldn't eat much during the day. In summer it's a little bit harder, but in the winter it's easier. You should eat a light breakfast or light lunch, so you come hungry, you come with appetite to the meal of Friday night. So if nothing stops you, you should have the meal. Obviously you should have the meal. Only if there's, like he writes, something prevents him from partaking of the meal, then he is allowed to postpone it by doing Kiddush and having something small.
What could prevent?
If he's not feeling well, can't eat. It's a stomach virus or whatever. So many different options that could happen.